Hello, my name is Sarah DeWong. I'm a project manager and consultant at Concentrus. Today, I want to show you how to create a dynamic list or a dependent list. What is a dynamic list? Well, let me show you right here. It's basically one drop-down list is dependent on the selection from another list. So the food types that I have in this field are dependent on the selection that I choose in the food category in this first field. So in this first field, I have meat, fruits, and vegetables. So when I choose meat, this second field only shows me beef or chicken. However, when I go and select fruit, it will show me my list of fruits. So let me show you how I did this. The first thing you do is you create the custom list. This is for the very first list. So this is creating my meat, fruit, and vegetables, my food category list. So this is a simple list to create. The next thing I would do is I would create a custom record. So this custom record is going to link my food types and food categories together. What this does is it's creating that list that creates that relationship. So you can see here, I have these records stored under that custom record that I just created, and it makes the relationship between the fruit and it shows the type of fruit down here. Okay, so this is the secondary list that we've created. The next thing you do is you create the two custom fields that you want on your record. So I'm going to create two custom entity fields. The first entity field is to store the food category list. So this is the meat, fruit, and vegetables. So very simple field. The second list is my food types. So instead of creating a custom list, I actually choose the custom record that I just created. Now, one thing that's tricky about the second one is that you have to make the linkage to the first list here. So go to source and filtering, and you want your source list to come from the food category field. And in there, you want to source by food category. Okay, so you save that, and that all goes into the record that you created, and here is your dependent list. So I've got my vegetables, and it has my eggplant, radishes, and carrots. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at Concentrus. Thank you.